What's up, everyone? Continuing our configuration on between service provider and the sites, we're going to deploy MPLS in service provider network, and we're going to enable it by enabling the MPLS protocol directly in OSPF. And for this section, we're using OSPF v2. We can use the MPLS LDP auto, and it's going to enable MPLS in all interfaces running OSPF. But on the other side of the service provider, since we're using OSPF v3, to enable MPLS, we have to manually enable at the interface level. Okay, we can enable also SPF v2 at the interface level, but I just want to show you guys how to do both options. So let's jump right on it and start with 42 with 40. So 43 and what is 39? I don't have 39. Let me add 39 here. Sorry. 136 32. And I should see a JCC between 20 and 43. Now I need 48. Six 32816 32816, and I should see a JCC with 3 routers. Okay, and now 41. Where is 41? I don't have. Okay. Yeah, it's 41. 368, 354, 36. 32, and 45. Okay, so everyone has adjacency with its neighbor. Now sub AS6453 starting with R47. Okay. And 41 we got there. 6 and 32, 815. With 41. Okay, awesome. And now 42. I have 42. 42 is already here. This 46. 46 also belongs here, and 45, 40, 41, 47, 42. Again, check 42. $46. So I have 42. Okay. 46. No, 44. 42, 47. Oh, no, I need 40. Six. And I should see it's missing one adjacency. 01, 02 as well. Yeah. Okay, so we have MPLS enabled. And now we're going to configure a BGP. And what I want is to make our 48 is going to be the route reflector. So it's going to appear with every other routers here. And 41 is going to be also a route reflector. And both will be part of the same cluster ID for loop prevention. And on this side, I'm going to configure only 47 as the route reflector for this side. And this part is going to be in sub AS64512, and I'll be using configuration. So they will be exposed with AS with autonomous system 100. And I have here my script ready. So I'm going to deploy this on 48. So basically I'm using peer groups. Could use peer templates as well. I'm using peer groups, and I have my PE routers 42, 43, and 45, and 41 as the neighboring router that is not connected to any customer. So let me deploy this on 48. Done. And also notice that I have enabled only VPN v4, so there won't be any routes in the any BGP routes in the routing table, because I'm just using VPN v4 to exchange the customer routes. Now I'm going to R20, and I should see two adjacencies now. One with 48 and another one with neighbor, with customer. Awesome. Okay, let's continue to 43. And 45. And 41. And another point that I want to highlight is here we have to identify, what is it? We have to identify that 47 belongs to the same group, for the same is part of the same configuration group. So that's how we do. We have to say our peer group, or peer is sub AS64513. Okay, and need to deploy this on R41, and it's done. Okay, and okay, now if I check the show BGP repair, so I have 20, 41, 43, 45. Awesome. Everything looks okay. So you can proceed with 47. And 46. 40. Oh yes, 40. This one, see. And BGP, yeah. Now if I check this also on 47, unicast summary. I have 40, 42, 46, 41, everything looks okay. Great. Now, okay, I have configured, we have deployed BGP, we enabled VPN v4, and right now, the next step, if we look at 420, that's 20, let's show BGP, VPN v4, and cast VRF, that's headquarter. So I have this prefix from headquarter, and now I'm going to advertise them. Actually, they're going to be ready to be advertised to other routers. And to do that, I'm going to at VRF. Is it? At VRF, I have to configure route targets. VPN before. IP VPN headquarter. And I have to set a value. I just use 100 for imports and exports. I have to do the same thing on every router. So since it's relating like the same company, I'm going to keep the route target values the same in every router. So 43. Let's see. VPN 1 targets both. This means that if I issue the show VPN gets VRF VPN run, okay, I can see these are the prefix from headquarter, and this is from branch 1. If I look at 32, let me open session here. So 32,795, 32,795. Oh, well, oh yes, and show BGP routes. I can see I'm receiving, where is it? 1111 and 192.0.1. Okay, so actually I did the configuration previously. Show run VPN 0 router BGP. So I'm going to do the same thing for VE2 on. Six, and that should be 3, just 327. VPN 0, lots of BGP. Oh, I already have BGP. Okay, but it's wrong. I'm going to change this. So I'm going to do on 40 because I'm pretty sure I haven't done on 40 yet. So I can show you a configuration part. And 6 will be 3, 274, 327. Oh, it's blank. I haven't configured anything yet, but just going to be for BGP. It's not a big deal. So VPN 0 interface 192. That's no, yes, 3, 31, 31, 24, slot shut, demo interface, encapsulation, sec, and color MPLS, allow all services, and yep. Now I'm going to save this and router BGP 65103. Save neighbors to be 192.3.31.254. Remote AS going to be 6. Actually, it's going to be 100. Address family IPv4 unicast. And I'm going to advertise my network 192.3.31.24. Whoa. Oh, okay. So system, that was the host name. It's going to be VE31. Site ID is going to be 3. System IP is going to be 103.1.1. Let me check. What do I have here? Show run system. (102), yes. 103.31.31. Big bond 72.1.1.1 and 102. Organization name CCIE and NTP server. It's going to be 72.0.1.1. Prefer. Commit and quit. Yeah, done. If I test this 3.31.254. Awesome. Show BGP summary. Establish, and I should have no entries. I haven't received any. BGP routes. Probably the router is updating. Okay, so let me check. Does 47 has these routes? Do show BGP before you get awesome. Oh, okay, I have 192.3.31 and 192.22, but I don't see. This is site 2. I'm not receiving from site 1. Adjacency with 41, it's okay. No, that's 41 as this VPN technology castle summary. Oh, okay. It's problem. What's 16? Did I enable this? Okay, I didn't enable for 41. Okay, so let me add this real quick. I'm just going to do for R20 because it's going to be the same for all the routers. So (41) and 41, and just copy and paste. and it's up 41 up. Okay, show. Okay, and I have some prefixes too. So 47. Okay, I have 1. This means that the edge 31 should have this. BGP, not yet. Let me refresh. R40. BGP. And branch 3. Oh. Oh, silly me. VRF definition. I have to add route target as well here, and route target for both is going to be so show BGP VPN before you cast VRF. VPN branch 3. Okay. Now I should see something. Okay, that's great. So I'm receiving the prefix from headquarter. This means I should have reachability. It's really 1. Something still missing. No. Let's check here. Show BGP. Show BGP VPN before you cast. I have the prefix here. I'm exporting. It should be advertising it. Why the edge 1 doesn't have this? So BGP routes. Oh, okay. Probably was updating. 192.3.31.31. So my control plane it's working, but I have a problem with my data plane. So next ops 102. So it looks like something is wrong with MPLS, and this should be between 41 and 47. 47. Okay. Let's see if the JKC is really up to show. Here, SMDP enable. Like that. Yes. It is up, and so what am I using? 172.16.41. Let's see this in detail. Mm, 45, 47. Yes, I'm using MPLDP. It looks okay. looks okay. So okay, so finally found out what was the problem. I missed the MPLS configuration on R40, so I'm going to solve this right now with 47 and with 44 as well. MPLS interface 01, 02, and 0 MPLS, I think. Yeah. So now VH1 should have reachability. Yes. So this is something that you might spot on. You have your control plane, meaning you're advertising your prefix, your network, everything is okay, but if the data plane, if the ping, the communication is not working between the sites, so it's most likely that your MPLS is broken, so your LDP path is broken. So that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.